Hello friends, welcome to our channel InfoThing. IBPS has released IBPS RRB 2020 notification with around 9,500 plus vacancies for clerical office assistant and officer scale 1 post, that is assistant manager, and also 1200 plus scale 2 and scale 3 posts for experienced people candidates. So in this video we will discuss about this notification PDF which was released by IBPS website. So friends, before that, if you're watching first time on channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and let's begin our session. Friends, IBPS RRB, it is a national level banking exam conducted every year by the IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel Selection for candidates who aspire to join the regional rural banks RRBs. So friends, eligible candidates that are required to register online for Common Recruitment Process CRP for RRB 9th. This is the ninth time recruitment giving for RRBs in IBPS website. So IBPS conducted this exam ninth time for recruiting regional rural banks officers and regional rural bank office assistants. So for the post of officer level post, the selection process includes prelims exam followed by mains exam followed by interview. So for assistant exam, it is call it as multi-purpose. So we'll call it as clericals also. So candidates are selected based on preliminary exam and mains exam. There is no interview for clerical exam for officer assistant post. So candidates shortlisted provisionally allocated to one of the RRBs based on the number of vacancies and merit come preference. So students, the number of vacancies is announced by IBPS RRB along with the notification. Around more than 10,000 vacancies have been announced. So in the same situation, the last year the vacancies were around 8,300 plus vacancies which were filled to IBPS RRB recruitment. This year IBPS RRB given huge recruitment in rural banks, regional rural banks that are around more than 10,000 including scale 1, scale 2, scale 3 and office assistant clerical cadres. So when it comes to the officer and scale officers cadre under scale 1 and clerical cadre and office assistant around 9,000 plus posts. So these are the huge recruitment this year 2020 during the COVID pandemic. Friends, you can follow our channel in social platforms like Telegram, Facebook and Instagram. These links I have provided in description section. Friends, this official notification PDF link I have provided in description section. So as per the official notification, IBPS application form link has been activated from 1st July 2020 onwards. So the IBPS RRB exam date 2020 for IBPS RRB PU and IBPS RRB office assistant posts have not been revealed yet. However, IBPS RRB exam will be conducted in the month of September-October 2020. So friends, just if you are preparing for IBPS RRB recruitment 2020, check out IBPS RRB exam date, syllabus, exam pattern, cutoff date, job profile, salary structure, admit code, um, all at one place, that is in official PDF. So you can watch this video till and you will come to know about this exam pattern and syllabus, salary and structure and question pattern. Friends, the recruitment is carried out the following group A, group B and posts. Group A, it is treasury manager and banking officer scale 2 and law officer, IT officer, agriculture officer, chartered accountant officer in grade 3. And when group B comes officer in multi-purpose. So the eligible candidates are required to register online this CRP process through official website IBPS. For the post of officer level post, the selection process includes prelims exam followed by mains exam and interview. So for the office assistant multi-purpose, candidates are selected based on prelims exam and mains exam. There will be no interview for office assistant posts, but candidates shortlisted provisionally are elected to one of the RRBs based on the number of vacancies and merit come preferences. Now when it comes to the vacancy and post, the number of vacancies is announced by IBPS along with the notification. The more than 10,000 vacancies have been announced. So last year, a total number of vacancies are around 8,354 were filled through IBPS RRB recruitment. So the post for vacancies IBPS RRB 2020 are here you can see on screen. That is office assistant multipurpose, that is clerical cadre recruiting 5,328 vacancies, and officer scale 1 3,928 vacancies. When it comes to officer scale 2 and scale 3, around 1,000 82 scale 2 and 157 as scale 3 posts. So the scale 2, scale 3 are manager level posts, and scale 1 is assistant manager level posts. When we look at the salary and pay scale of this post, the post-wise approximate pay scale of IBPS RRB is given here on screen. So the pay scale varies from bank to bank. When it comes to office assistant purpose, office assistant multi-purpose like the salary will be take home will be 19,300, and officer scale 1 will be 25,700 is max. And when it comes to scale 2 and scale 3 is almost reaching 30,000 per month. The ABS clerk is the clerk post is like office assistant. So candidates selected to this post are responsible for handling cash withdrawals and cash deposits and other clerical work. So when it comes to IBPS under PO and SO, that is scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 cadet, the officer scale 3 is the post of the senior manager. So while officer scale 2 it is the post of manager, and officer scale 1 it is the assistant manager post. So the role of IBPS RRB is to check regular banking activities and granting loans, maintaining credit profile and recovery of the loans and implementation of the scheme, etc. So these banks are mostly in rural areas only. So candidates should decide if they want to work in rural area or they want to work in nearby their home place. So better to this is the best opportunity for candidates who are interested in working in rural areas. Friends, now you can see on screen the age limit as on 1/7/2020 when the time of release this notification. The age limit prescribed for the office assistant and officer scale 1 post is 18 to 28 years. And the age of the candidates applying for officer scale 2 and scale 3 post should be between 21 years to 40 years. And one more thing, the relaxation in age is provided to candidates belonging to reserved categories, so that you can check on official notification with your respect to categorization. Friends, you can follow our channel in social platforms like Telegram, Facebook and Instagram. These link I have provided in description section. Friends, now comes to education qualification. The education qualification is different for different posts. However, only a graduate candidate can apply for the exam. These multi-purpose assistant and officers scale 1 candidate, that is like assistant manager post. So working on knowledge of computers is mandatory, and the local language proficiency, that is candidates applying in any particular RRBs are required to possess proficiency in their local language of respect to state or UT in which the same is situated. The application fee should be paid online only. The no offline fee payment will be accepted by the examination authority. The application fee for scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 for SC, ST candidates and PWBD candidates for 175 only, and when it comes to all other candidates other than SC, ST and PWBD 850 they have to pay through online. Plus the service charges, that intervention charges will be borne by the candidate only. And when it comes to office assistant, that is clerical cadre, same will be fees will be same like scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. The candidates belongs to SC, ST and PWBD candidates should pay 175 rupees, and for all other candidates other than SC, ST, PWD 850 they have to pay through online. When it comes to IBPS RRB exam pattern, the last year IBPS introduced a state-wise list of version of tests. So with the help of these, candidates now will be able to attempt the questions in English and selected regional languages for IBPS RRB mains exam. The overall exam pattern of IBPS RRB scale 1 and IBPS RRB official national prelims consist of two sections, that is quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. The total duration of the exam is 45 minutes only. Each section consists of 40 questions and with a maximum marks of 40. So the oral examination questions, oral number of questions 80, and the maximum marks also 80. And when it comes to scale 1 officer also the same, the 40 of the maximum questions in each section consists, and the overall 80 questions and overall maximum marks 80 within composite time of 45 minutes only. Friends, IBPS, an autonomous body, has received a mandate from the organizations mentioned in the above, so to conduct the recruitment process as mentioned above once a year. So IBPS will make arrangements for conducting these online preliminary and mains examinations and declare result of online preliminary examination. IBPS will inform the shortlist candidates about the online main examination. There will be a single level examination for officer scale 2 and officer scale 3. IBPS will declare the results of main and single examination and inform the shortlist candidates about the interview in case of the officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. The interviews will be coordinated by nodal regional banks with the help of NABARD and IBPS in consultation with the appropriate authority. For office assistant multipurpose, the final allotment will be done on second basis of candidates' performance in online and main examination, and the vacancies reported by regional rural banks. The prospective candidates will have to apply at authorized IBPS website after carefully reading the advertisement regarding the process of examination. The interview, whichever applicable, and provisional allotment, eligible criteria, online registration process, payment of prescribed application fee, or intimate charges, pattern of examinations, issuance of call letters, etc., and ensure that they will fulfill the stipulated criteria and follow the prescribed process. So when it comes to this main examination, the main examination will having 200 marks and maximum questions of 200 marks with maximum number of questions of 200, and the duration of the examination is 2 hours. When it comes to scale 1, scale 2, scale 3 also, a number of questions as 200 and the main examination maximum marks also 200.